Good morning. I'm back at it again. My walk, my book, sunshine, fresh air. I missed it. No milk in the fridge, and I'm a little too hungry to go shopping. So we're gonna have to invent something for the smoothie before we go out. Yeah? Okay, so what we ended up with was a fruit smoothie with pineapple juice, pear, frozen banana, and mango.
Berry. I'm gonna get buried. Yo, Jenna, let me get buried. Oh, there already.
Break up.
Crazy Eden. Smoothie and vitamins time. Huh?
Yes.
All right. Wow. We're gonna have a race. There goes my competitor. What do you think is in there?
Little.
Close. It'll be something you use to play Play-Doh with. Let's check it out.
A cut.
Okay, yeah, it was another box, so we gotta cut some more. What is that? What is that?
Tools.
Tools. You like it? Yeah.
You want food?
Right here.
Right now, nah?
I take it you like it. Good morning. You clean your vitamins? You will go with a runny nose again today.
House.
You want to go to Lizzie's house?
No. Go Nana house.
To see Lizzie. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Good morning. So I do intermittent training in my workout. So I do 1 lap fast and 1 lap slow. But the speedometer on Snapchat is not accurate. I think you get about maybe 5.5 miles an hour running and about 3 miles an hour walking. If you want to burn fat during your workouts, you got to do IT. That's a little burst of fast followed by slow, alternating like that over and over. Smoothie's got a little green in it today.
Yeah. Just go this way and this.
I will.
Sing about Lord's love.
Very good. Psalms 89 verse 1. What kind of truck is that one? A Mack truck. It's a what? A blue cement truck. What's that big one coming there? Dump truck. What did you say? Isaac, go in the front loader?
Yeah.
Oh man, that would be fun. A little bit different. What's that one? Backhoe loader, exactly. So we're having a little snack, and Isaac said he's gonna sit on the floor next to me because my butt's too big for these little chairs. Okay, let me see you do that again. No, it's just a pretend fit, nah? And that's why you just hold fast, because they can switch it off like that. As part of Heart Health Awareness Month, I wrote a blog post about my reasons and motivations for taking care of my heart, and I would like for you to check it out. What are you doing?
I sit right here.
You want me to sit right there and play blocks? What a jump. Oh, good job. Wait. Nice. Jump. Woohoo!
I think so. Jump.
1, 2, 3, jump. Couldn't stop eating the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
So we getting a little blueberry snack now. He just woke up from his nap and someone else got some work done, so everybody's happy. I'm making a blog post about our daily schedule. It's not a guitar. What calls that one?
Cheetah.
That's right. So we're trying to get a little outside time today and just look at the rain. Right? Fixing your bus. Did someone slip and fell? Oh, okay. I think you did.
Then
I have news for you.
Sing it.
Well, that was nothing extraordinary. I think it's just a little stem coming out. Yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So just get through with conference calls. Very productive and exciting developments I'll get to tell you about sometime. And now we got a couple of
Mama do.
sun's out again. Yeah. Somebody woke up from his nap.